Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue with the modules. So here, let's create a new folder for the templates. This new folder would be module. Remember, that's how we're adding the views, that it will be in module. So okay, so we got the module, and then now let's create a new file. Okay, let's start with the new module template. Let's go to classroom and here. So let's go to classroom and then let's copy new course. Let's copy all of that, right? Let's paste it here and then we're going to reuse all of this as much as we can. Okay, let's create a new module. We don't need that. Title and then hours. Hours, and we don't need the rest. Very simple form actually. And then create. Okay, save that. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so we have the okay, we have the new module now. So let's get a new file. This one, let's call it modules.html. I think that's how we name it. Let me check. Okay, yes, modules. Okay, for the modules, let's go to curse. Let's copy all of these, paste it here, and then that one stays the same because if you go to model, we're passing curse too. Oh no, we're not. So let's copy this one, comma, paste it here. Yes, I forgot. So now, yes. So we are in the module page. So we need to put here active to show that we're active in the module page. Here, put the URL modules. Is it modules? Let me check. Um, URLs, please. Okay, here. Okay. Then here we pass the course.id. Here we pass the okay course. Save that. Okay, active. So we don't need the teacher mode here. Let's put modules, and then we want to put like one of those collections. Let me see. No, I think it's here. It's JavaScript collectible, like these ones. These like the accordion thing. Let's copy that one. Paste it here. Here. No, it's here. Okay. It says here, we need to add this to the JavaScript file to initialize it. So let's go to the static JavaScript init, and let's put it here. Save, and then what is this? Oh, I have a typo in the module here. Oops, it's in the views. Oh, it's in the forums. Oh yeah, it's okay. Let's fix the. Let's go to the like course, and then let's fix the. Let's fix the link here. So let's copy this whole thing, and let's paste it here. This is the curse. So the curse should be active. Okay. Um, so if we go module, name curse is not defined. Let me see, what is that? Oh, um, oh yeah, we we forgot to import, of course, the models import course. Oh, but sorry, from classroom. Forms not defined. What is that? Oh yeah, what am I passing form here? Sorry. So okay, this is the modules. Let's press Control F5 to see if it's JavaScript. Yeah. Okay, the JavaScript files are loading. That will be the first. Put an icon there. Let me see. Let me see what we can get. Let me put that one sticky note. Oh, crap. Oh, okay. Modules, this will be so now here we put course or module in course that, remember, modules that all, because we want to for, and then here we put the Actually, we should put a image. We should put a E arrow down. But we don't have any here, but um, let's go to I think yes, we need the button here. Oh, let's log with the with the with the owner of the course. Okay, we're in module. Okay, now we can add modules. Okay, so here, let's take the user to URL. What's the URL? Let me check. Classroom. Okay, new module. New module. And then we pass course.id. And then here we can create a new module. This is the chemistry 101, so let's put the module 1 introduction, just like that. Hours, it will take 5 hours. Create it. Okay, so we have it here, right? This is our first module, so I need to change this. Okay. So here we're going to put module here, this module that type, and we can, oh, okay, module 1 introduction. I don't know why. Let's see. Oh yeah, one of these. La, la, la. Okay, spam more. And more. Okay, module 1 introduction, and then here we will have all the links and stuff. So this is the body. So let's go here. This is the body, and then so the first thing we need to I want to add the like buttons here. So okay, you can just copy this. Okay. Oh, I need to add, let me see. I'm like, I got a little confused. Okay, button. And then here I put a page. Okay. Let me put big. Okay, add a page. add. Okay, let's copy that one. Space, that's for the page, and then this will be for like a new quiz. Oops. Okay. Adding page meeting and assignment, and after we have that, we can put component collections. We can put a collections of items. Right? Ew. What is that? Okay, and then we will have here all the. Let me put a. Let me put a BR here. It's very close. Oh no. Here. Okay, perfect. And then here in the module one, we will have the all the assignments, all the pages, all the quizzes, and all the assignment that will be here. And yeah, and we're going to start doing that in the next videos. We're going to start with the page and then go from there. So this is. Oh wait. I think I have. I think I have an error here. Let me check the URLs here for the classroom. Refresh and see. Why is it doing that? Oh yeah, we will see that in the next video. What's going on with that? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.